welcome back to Crock-Pot Empire. I'm Kimberly Bishop, and welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to be making pot roast in the Crock-Pot Express multi-cooker. I'm going to show you how to cook it on both pressure and slow cooker mode. So come on and join me. Let's get cooking pot roast.
We're going to start by adding 1 tablespoon of EVOO to our inner pot. Spread that around and let it heat up. Then we'll add our roast that has been generously seasoned with salt, pepper, and garlic powder. You can also use Montreal steak seasoning. And let it get a nice sear on all sides to lock in that flavor. I recommend about 5 minutes on each side, top and bottom, until it's well browned. And to our meat, we're going to add 1 packet of Lipton onion soup mix. Original is great, but you should also try the beefy onion flavor for this recipe. It's delicious. 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce. 1 cup of beef broth. If you prefer, you can just stop right here, go ahead and put your lid on lock, and just cook the roast as is. For a creamier and thicker gravy, you can also add 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, or try the roasted garlic cream of mushroom soup. This is a great addition to the traditional pot roast recipe, and a variation for anyone who cooks pot roast regularly for a nice change of pace. It creates a rich gravy that you can sop up with any type of bread. Yum! You can also add some veggies right on top. We're going to add 1 onion, a bag of baby carrots, a few washed Yukon Gold potatoes that have either been peeled or unpeeled, and a carton of mushrooms. Place your lid on lock. Set your valve to the sealing position. Press the meat stew button. Adjust the time to 1 hour, and then press start. For slow cooker mode, press the slow cook button. Temp adjust to low. Adjust the time to 8 to 10 hours. Make sure your valve is set to the venting position and press start. Let the pressure naturally release for about 10 minutes. Open the lid, and you have tender, juicy, delicious pot roast ready for supper.
If you like this video, please go give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Crock-Pot Empire family if you haven't already. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you never miss an episode. Thanks so much for watching. See you right back here next time on Crock-Pot Empire.